Day 15, done. Last day of total synergistics until I think the last month. I do it twice, but it's a good workout. It really works your entire body. I'm really impressed with all the P90X3 workouts so far, and total synergistics is a good one. Definitely includes everything, hence I guess why they put total at the beginning. Abs, legs, balance, your arms, your chest, your back. It all works while you're doing this workout. I'm a little tired. I'm pretty proud. I got my little sheet here. Been filling it out every day. I've been doing this workout, and all my numbers have improved. I've been writing little notes to myself on certain workouts, and I definitely feel my balance has gotten a lot better. I mean, from everything from when you're doing like the boat move and you're on your tailbone to standing on one leg and doing some curls, or even just being on your forearms and 1 foot at a time. Balance has gotten a lot better. I'm still protecting my shoulder because it's definitely a little tight, so there were some pull-up moves in this that I focused on my form, but I would just do them one at a time. I'd do my little pull-up and then slowly come down and let myself off the bar, shake, gently go back up, do another one. So I got a good number. I wasn't staying on the bar the whole time, but again, I'm trying to protect that shoulder. I want to make sure doing my form right, doing every move right, doing it safely, and taking care of myself. I want to be able to keep working out. So, but I'm pretty happy with today's workout. Today was one of the tough days to get going on a workout. You get something that just frustrates you and gets in your head and really grinds at you. It's nice to be able to come and burn off some steam, get a good workout in. You kind of run into a dangerous mental state when you have a frustrating day that, I don't want to work out, I'm in the mood, I want to do what I want to do. But it's always good whenever you push yourself to, to come to a place like this where you can let some steam off, vent a little bit. I'm really glad that I had my workout today because I was a little frustrated earlier. Not exactly a good day for me so far, but it's Monday, right? But first day of week 3 is done. Feeling good. Fortunately, I weighed myself this morning and I'm still sitting right around 250. I think it was like 250.9, so we're gonna round up 251. So not a lot has changed since last week, but that happens. You don't just shed tons and tons of weight consistently on a weekly basis. It's a process, and you got to stick with it and trust it. So I'm gonna stick to the diet and keep working out because I feel myself getting stronger. My clothes that are feeling better. I'm feeling more comfortable in my own skin, if that makes any sense. And that's the stuff you got to focus on when you're not seeing your weight get to where you want it to be. The weight's not falling off as quickly as you want it to be. You focus on the other things. I climb up a flight of stairs and I feel good. The little stuff, just little victories. Keep your mind focused on the positive, so you keep coming back every day and you keep hitting play and you keep following your diet and you just keep on keeping on, because it's a process. It's a worthwhile process. It takes time, but I'm glad I'm doing it. Anyway, time for the best part. Haven't been able to do this in a while because I was out of town for the weekend. My good pin's over there, so we'll use this one. Anyway, total synergistic first day of week 3. Done. Anyway, hope everyone's doing good. See you guys tomorrow.